Today, we're in the herd with football. The Bison play their final home game of the year on Saturday as 23 fourth-year players will be recognized on Senior Day. Coach Joe Susan says this year's group will always hold a special place in his heart.
The leadership that we had last year actually got better with the group that we have this year, and they're role models for our younger guys. It's great that a lot of them are playing. Most of them are playing. I think that's an important thing, but they've been through some hard times, and I've always told them that you get stronger with the adversity you face in life, and this team's had some adversity and it has really responded well. Obviously winning games helps, but the togetherness of this team is one of the best, and I've said this before, one of the best football teams in terms of team concept that I've been around.
He says there is no doubt that the rest of the team wants to win Saturday's game against Colgate for those seniors.
Now, anytime you finish Senior Day at home, you want to send the seniors out in the right note, and regular season, the end of the regular season, it's always a springboard into what you do next. And if you win the last game, it gives you impetus into what the seniors feel about, in their last football game, and what the underclassmen know that they go right back to work, and it gives them some momentum into that.
One of those seniors is Terry Bennett, and he says Saturday will be a culmination of all 4 of his years on campus.
I think it's the day that we can show that what we have done over this past 4 years. It's time for us to showcase all the hard work and dedication we have been doing for this team over the years, and I think we going to play our hardest, and I think we are going to be the best that we can be in front of our families, in front of the fans, and give one last show from the seniors.
Bennett is known for his enthusiasm, especially when he plays on the punt coverage team. He thinks that is a very important contribution to this squad.
If you ask any of the players or the coaches, I'm like really ecstatic on special teams. I'm like a special assistant coach on special teams. I call out everything when it's time to get done. But I just go where I'm needed on the field. If it's on punt block, if it's on punt, it's on field goal block, I do whatever I do for the team.
Kickoff between Bucknell and Colgate is 1 p.m. Saturday.